When nature's calling, don't be stalling. Use your common sense. Before you let it flow, find a place to go. Just don't whiz on
the electric fence.
If you're gonna explode, you can use the commode in igloos, cave dwellings, or tents.
No need to explain when you got a drain.
Don't whiz on the electric fence. You can swizzle on the sofa,
Piddle in the air.
Tinkle in the toilet.
That's why it is there.
you can let it rain in the breakdown lane while waving at ladies and gents. Just don't whiz on, don't whiz on, don't whiz on the electric fence.
Anyone up for a weenie roast?